Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is The Very Hungry Caterpillar's First Spring. We'll be reading our story and using our Say and Play mini objects. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out, and we'll get started. There's so much to do on a bright spring day. When warm weather melts winter snow away. Outside grass grows and trees sprout new leaves. Watch clouds change shape as they float in the breeze. Quick! Find an umbrella to help keep dry when rain drizzles down from the gray clouds in the sky. Feel the cool, wet raindrops fall to the ground, filling puddles for splashing. But wait, what's that sound? Quack go some ducklings, following their mother. Bees buzz and toads croak, making music with each other. When the rain passes, the fresh air smells sweet. Stop to sniff the flowers blooming, a very special treat. Now it's on to the garden where vegetables grow. Heads of cabbage, radishes, and carrots below. Big leafy lettuce and green peas to pack. Perfect for sharing an afternoon snack. Crunch! The sun in the sky makes a rainbow shine bright. Spring is a season that's full of delight. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar's First Spring. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and then subscribe to our channel. You can go on to speechandsmile.com to find several other Say and Play story kits with mini objects. Thank you so much for joining us and make it a great day.